Checking out the Baofeng tactical speaker. This one is a microphone speaker. It's got the clip on the back. It can swivel. It's got the various buttons, the push to talk. It's compatible with the UV9Rs, the Pros, their GMRS, a bunch of others. You can get it in green or black. You've got your push to talk A at the top there. You've got your push to talk B on the side. You also have volume adjustment. This one uses the weatherproof attachment point. Again, it's compatible with the UV9R, the GMRS 9R, and a bunch of their UV models. It's got a coiled cable and the protection from binding and from strafing. Their tactical speaker mic, the AR-152. Hope this helps.